That's great if you have a 401k, especially if they do 401k matching, something like that, or you want to do stocks or something like that. Listen, have a side hustle, because I've been through so many hard times that forced me to think differently. I'm not 100% invested in the corporate world, the corporate life. I don't think that they care about us. I don't think they're obligated to care about. They don't have to care about you. It's a private organization. And then the government ones, they're more stable, I would say, but there's nothing to stop them from laying you off too. So have a side hustle, like if you can. Take care of yourself. Don't expect anyone to give you anything, because they're not obligated to. They don't have to. Like, look at this world, man. You got lions eating cubs. You think that that's different from nature, man? Nature is hardcore. And it doesn't change because, we made it human civilization? I'll get off my soapbox here. Just take care of yourself. That's all I'm trying to say. Some of us are working 2 IT jobs also. Yeah, I understand that, Kamar. I did that at one point. I will never do that again. 2 IT jobs, unless they were like both part-time or something. That was really hard. Axiom says, yeah, I think of myself as a business contractor by another business, even though I'm on a W-2. No one is going to take care of your career like you will. That's exactly my mentality with the Axiom. Nobody's obligated to help you. Nobody's obligated to come. Nobody's gonna come to the rescue. I'm not waiting for some political party to come in power and help to do anything, thinking that there's gonna be a revolution of the nation. I'm realistic about what's happening in the course that we're going as a species. I'm not talking about all this political stuff or whatever. That's irrelevant. What I'm saying is that ultimately there's one thing that's gotten me from here to there, and that's taking care of myself. Taking care of myself and not expecting anything from anyone, from any government organization, from any individuals, from family, from friends. Doing it myself. Now, if I pay someone to do a task for me, and have people on my team, people I can trust and stuff, that's great. That's great. And anytime somebody I get a grant or something, or if I can get a loan from a bank, or some angel investor comes out of nowhere and helps me, that's awesome. But I'm not saying, okay, once I get this bag, once I scratch this lottery ticket, it's gonna change everything. Nobody's coming for us, man. We gotta do for ourselves. That's the harsh reality. You be blessed if you can find someone on your team who you can trust, who's loyal, or if you happen to have a spouse, a best friend, or you have maybe somebody in your family you're close to who you can trust to start a business with or something. And let me tell you, that's something super rare. If you find that person, man, you hold on to that person. If you guys have an argument, man, work that shit out, because that's rare. Yeah, the rest of this world, man, I don't care about you. Nobody cares. You gotta care for yourself.